Hello and welcome back to BIM to Form. In this short video, we will show you how to turn this floor plan into a colored cycle plan that includes the formwork parts. So let's start from here. We have already finished designing our floor plan, and as you can see, the walls and formwork parts are assigned to 4 different cycles. To make this more visible, we can go to the BIM to Form Manage tab and click on the command Color Phases. You would have to select the level you're working on, this is level 0, and click on OK. BIM to Form will then create a copy of the floor plan where the phases are dyed in different colors, but the formwork parts are gone. To view them, there is a simple trick. Go to View, select Visuality Graphics, and since the formwork parts are generic models, we have to tick the box at Generic Models. Apply and click OK. As you see down here, Revit has now set a filter for hidden views. Lastly, to make the parts show, we have to set the face filter to None, apply, and now you have the colored cycle view with all the formwork parts showing. Also, the numbers that were created for the cycles here are just normal text boxes, so you could change the description, for example, name this Phase 1 instead. For more information, visit our website and contact us to get a 14 days free trial of BIM to Form.